Welcome to Zoom in Data. In this session, we will discuss the Databricks feature store, which is crucial for building production-ready machine learning pipelines and managing features efficiently. The feature store centralizes the storage, versioning, and sharing of features across models and teams, improving collaboration, consistency, and reproducibility. Understanding the feature store demonstrates your ability to streamline feature engineering, enforce governance, and deploy ML models reliably. Key points covered in this subtopic include feature management, versioning, feature serving, integration with ML flow, and collaborative workflows. Subscribe to Zoom in Data to continue structured learning of Databricks concepts. What is Databricks Feature Store? The Feature Store is a centralized repository in Databricks to store and manage machine learning features. It allows teams to reuse and share features across multiple ML models, reducing duplication of work. Features are versioned, ensuring reproducibility for experiments and production models. It improves operational efficiency by providing a consistent source of features for training and serving models. Why is a feature store important in ML workflows? A feature store ensures that features are standardized across training and production environments. It reduces errors caused by inconsistent feature definitions between different projects. Teams can collaborate more effectively by sharing curated, validated features. It accelerates development by avoiding repeated computation and redundant pipelines for common features. What are the key components of a Databricks feature store? Feature tables store pre-processed, versioned features along with metadata like freshness and lineage. Feature lookups allow ML models to access features efficiently during training or inference. Governance features enable access control and auditability for enterprise-level compliance. Integration with ML Flow and Delta Lake ensures smooth tracking, versioning, and reproducibility of ML features. How does a feature store improve model reproducibility? Versioned feature tables allow exact replication of features used in any previous experiment. Metadata tracks feature transformations, ensuring consistent computation across runs. Automated feature lineage helps teams trace the origin and updates of each feature. Reproducibility reduces the risk of training production skew and ensures reliable deployment. How does the feature store integrate with ML Flow? Features stored in the feature store can be logged as artifacts in ML Flow experiments. ML Flow can track the version of features used in training each model run. This integration ensures reproducibility and traceability for model development. Teams can compare model performance with specific feature versions, improving evaluation and optimization. What types of features are typically stored in the feature store? Numeric, categorical, and derived features from raw datasets can all be stored. Aggregated features such as averages, counts, or rolling statistics are also included. Temporal and real-time features can be served for production models. Consistently storing all these feature types ensures scalability and reuse across projects. How does the feature store support collaborative ML development? Teams can share validated feature tables, reducing redundant feature engineering work. Multiple data scientists can build models using the same feature definitions. Access control ensures only authorized users can modify or create new features. Collaboration accelerates ML experimentation and deployment by maintaining a single source of truth. How are features versioned in Databricks Feature Store? Every feature table has a version number that tracks changes over time. Updates to features do not overwrite previous versions, preserving experiment reproducibility. Teams can revert to older versions if new features introduce errors. Versioning allows safe experimentation with feature engineering improvements. How does the feature store handle feature serving? The feature store provides APIs to retrieve features for both batch and real-time inference. It ensures consistency between features used during training and inference. Latency-optimized serving supports production-grade 1050 applications. Serving capabilities reduce operational complexity and improve reliability of deployed models. How does the feature store reduce data inconsistencies? Centralizing feature computation ensures all models use the same definition for each feature. Metadata tracks updates and transformations to prevent stale or incorrect features. Versioning and lineage allow auditing of changes over time. Reduced inconsistencies lead to more reliable model performance in production. What are feature lookups in Databricks Feature Store? Feature lookups allow ML models to query feature values efficiently during training. They support joining feature tables with training datasets seamlessly. Lookups can retrieve historical or real-time values depending on model requirements. This ensures models have accurate and consistent input data at all stages. How does the feature store support production ML pipelines? Features can be served directly to production models, reducing the risk of mismatched data. Integration with ML Flow ensures experiment tracking aligns with deployed models. Automated feature lineage helps diagnose issues in production quickly. Production pipelines become more reliable and easier to maintain with centralized features. Can the feature store handle real-time features? Yes, it can store and serve features updated in real-time streams. Real-time features support models requiring up-to-date information for inference. Latency is optimized to meet production ML service requirements. Real-time support enables use cases like recommendation engines and fraud detection. How does the feature store improve model monitoring? Consistent feature definitions reduce drift between training and production data. Versioned features allow tracking of model performance changes over time. Audit logs help teams detect and diagnose issues quickly. Improved monitoring ensures models remain accurate and trustworthy. How does Databricks Feature Store enforce governance? Access control ensures only authorized users can modify or create features. Metadata tracks lineage, usage, and transformation history for compliance. Auditing supports enterprise-level regulatory requirements. Governance increases trust in the ML workflow and ensures accountability. How does the feature store help with feature reuse? Once a feature is created and validated, it can be reused across multiple projects. Teams avoid duplicating feature engineering work for similar models. Reuse accelerates experimentation and reduces computational cost. Centralization ensures consistency in all ML pipelines leveraging the same features. What role does Delta Lake play in the feature store? Feature tables are stored in Delta Lake to ensure ACID compliance. Delta Lake provides versioning and supports batch and streaming updates. Integration allows consistent, reliable, and high-performance feature management. Delta Lake ensures that all feature computations are durable, traceable, and scalable. How does the feature store support model explainability? Versioned features and tracked transformations make it easy to explain model inputs. Teams can audit which features influence predictions in production. Historical feature lineage helps understand model decisions over time. Explainability is essential for regulatory compliance and trust in ML models. Can features be shared across multiple Databricks workspaces? Features can be shared with controlled access across workspaces. This promotes collaboration between teams and avoids redundant computation. Shared features maintain consistent definitions, improving model reliability. Cross-workspace sharing accelerates enterprise-scale ML initiatives. B. How does the feature store handle large datasets? Feature tables leverage Delta Lake for scalable storage and efficient querying. Computation can be distributed across clusters for faster processing. Optimized joins and aggregations reduce latency in batch or real-time serving. This ensures that even very large datasets are manageable for ML pipelines. How does the feature store integrate with ML pipelines? Feature tables can be consumed directly in ML Flow or Databricks ML pipelines. This reduces feature computation errors and ensures reproducibility. Pipelines can automatically pull the latest version of features when training models. Integration simplifies ML workflow orchestration and deployment. How does the feature store support experimentation? Teams can try new feature engineering ideas while keeping the original features intact. Version tables ensure that experiments are reproducible and auditable. Experimenting with new features does not affect production models. It encourages safe experimentation and innovation in ML workflows. How are temporal features managed in the feature store? Features can be associated with specific timestamps for historical modeling. This ensures correct alignment of features with training labels. Temporal versioning prevents leakage from future data during model training. Correct temporal handling improves model accuracy and reliability. How does the feature store reduce operational complexity? Centralization eliminates the need to manage feature pipelines separately. Teams avoid redundant computations for the same features across projects. Versioning and lineage provide auditability and governance without extra effort. Simplifying feature management allows teams to focus on model innovation. Why should Databricks professionals master the feature store? Mastering the feature store ensures efficient, consistent, and reusable ML features. It enables production-ready pipelines with reproducibility and governance. Professionals can collaborate effectively and accelerate ML development cycles. Expertise in the feature store increases credibility and capability for enterprise ML projects. If you found this video helpful, like, share, subscribe. More Databricks interview and tutorial videos are coming soon. Stay connected and keep learning with Zoom in Data.